The Kriti coming up next is Dikshitar's fifth composition, Guru Guha Dhanyam. And it is in the beautiful Balahamsa Ragam. It starts with the lines, Guru Guhad Anyam na jane aham, Gupta Agama Artha Tattva Prabodhino. Meaning, I do not know of anyone other than Guru Guha, who is the teacher of the hidden truth. You know, when something begins like that, it's going to be a very heavy song. But he uses very simple words in this Kriti. And he shows his inclination to Advaita philosophy in very clear lines like Aruna Udaya, Ananta Koti Brahmanda Akara. He compares Shiva to endless crores of rising suns. And the beauty of this is the way he shows his genius when he describes the Raga Mudra Balahamsa as Prabalahamsa. So Balahamsa is the Raga Mudra, but he calls it Prabalahamsa. Prabala meaning strong or efficient, and Hamsa meaning a swan. That is, a swan is a symbol of Advaita philosophy. So he is such a genius in the way he uses his creativity and wordplay, it'll just leave you spellbound. To render this magnificent composition, set to Jampatalam, I would like to call upon Samhita Iyer. Young Samhita has been a key student at Saptaswara since 2019. So let us welcome Samhita Iyer.
Guru Guha Dhanyam Gupta Kama Tatatva Prabodhino Guru Guha Dhanyam Nandaham प्रकाशात्मनो दहरवेद्या प्रदायक परमात्मनो रहदजहल्लाक्षणय जीवैक्यात्मनो रहः पूजितचिदानन्दनाथात्मनो पामगरि सरि मगरि सरि ग सरि सरि पामगरि सरि मगरि सरि ग सरि सरि पामगरि सरि मगरि सरि ग सरि सा प सरि मगरि गरि सरि पामगरि सरि मगरि सरि ग सरि सा प सरि मगरि गरि सरि म पद प सरि मगरि सरि ग स सरि प पद नि प प मरि सरि ग स सा नि प मगरि सुहा तन्यं न जाह्यहं गुप्ता
Huge round of applause to encourage young Samhita Iyer. Wasn't she wonderful?